In this video, we're going to talk about how to use and manage and set up the quick links that appear in the control center. So let's begin by heading over to our control center here. And our quick links are going to live in this widget right here. So you can see I already have a few quick links set up, but what are these quick links exactly? Well, most simply put, these quick links are just links to any web tool that you might use to get a deal done. So for example, you can see I've got my .loop here, my MLS, the National Association of Realtors and Real Estate Brokers, and Zillow. So what happens is if I click on one of these pages, for example, this one is for Zillow, my homepage on Zillow. If I click on that, in a new tab, it's going to open up whatever link I set. So we'll go ahead and head back to our control center here. Now, with the control center quick links, these are generally going to be either home pages of tools that you use or general links that you use for a lot of deals, not necessarily deal specific links, but it's worth mentioning that in the deal dashboard for any given deal, you also have a widget for deal specific links. So first let's go over how to manage these, and we'll begin by setting up our own link. So the first step to setting up one of these quick links is to get to the page of whichever website you would like to link to. And for this example, we're going to use Dropbox. So I have my home folder for Dropbox open right here. And let's say that I want to set up a link to my listings folder within Dropbox. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to find, let's go to all my files, and I'm going to find my listings folder here. So we'll go ahead and click into that. And you can see that we've got a couple of folders for our individual listings. And this is the page that I want to link to. So when I click on that link, it's going to open this page and I have easy access to my folders for all of my listings. So now that we're in the page we want to link to, all I need to do is head to my address bar and then copy this link address. So we'll go ahead and copy that. And then we're going to head back to our control center here. So to add a new quick link, we're going to head to our quick links widget. And in the upper right hand corner, we're going to click on our plus sign icon to add a new link. So from here, we're going to begin by adding a name. So we're going to go ahead and call this Dropbox and then my listings. So now we've got a name, and our next option is for a description. So for this description, we could say something like the parent folder for all of my listings, or something to that effect, just whatever you want to sort of keep track of which link is which. And our final option here is for our URL. So we're going to go ahead and paste in that link that we just had, and you can see that it's pasted in exactly what we copied from our address bar over here. And from here, all we need to do is hit save, and that link will be created. So if I head to my quick links here, you can see Dropbox, we've got my listings. So let me go ahead and close out of my open tabs, and we're going to go ahead and click on this, and this will take us right to this exact page that we had selected for our link. Now again, this works for any web tool or web page that you possibly could want to link to. All you need is a URL for the specific page you want to be on, and you can create a link to that page from WeDo itself. So that way they all live in one easy place and you don't have to go typing things in or searching for those things. You can get to them right from WeDo. Now, if we need to edit or manage any of these links, to edit a link, all we need to do is click on the edit icon next to our link, and then we get that same editor window and we can change whatever we need to from right here. So for example, if I want to change my description, we can go ahead and take out that bit and we'll just say all of my listings. That's fine. Go ahead and hit save. And then that will be updated. Now you can also see the description by just mousing over the link, and it will show you whatever description you've entered. And that's really all there is to it. So now we've seen how to add quick links to our control center. I hope this has been helpful, and for more help, check out our other videos in WeDo Academy.